Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Buick Envision vs GMC Terrain full comparison. Please pause and follow the timestamps to compare trims, features, and pricing. I walk you through exterior styling cues, interior materials, and infotainment ease of use. Expect straightforward notes on cargo space, fuel economy, and warranty coverage. I emphasize practical ownership costs, daily driving comfort, and whether luxury touches justify any price differences between these two crossovers. In this segment, I compare real-world driving traits between the two models with warm, simple language and clear impressions. I describe acceleration feel, transmission smoothness, and how each suspension soaks up bumps versus trades off sportiness. You will hear about braking confidence, steering feedback, and how weight affects agility during lane changes. I also cover practical items like tire noise, highway refinement, and how those traits influence daily enjoyment. In this break, I ask kindly that if you find the comparison useful, you subscribe and hit like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers I showed make packing lunches simple and avoid spills on road trips, a small handy tip for crossover owners. Check the description for the product link and other deals. I appreciate your support, and now let's get back to the video. In this part, I explain cabin comfort, tech, and cargo practicality in a friendly, conversational tone you can listen to easily. I point out material quality, seat adjustability, and how intuitive screens feel while driving. Expect comparisons of sound systems, wireless phone features, and driver assist layouts that affect daily usability. I also note rear seat legroom, folding versatility, and cargo dimensions for weekend gear and grocery runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.